So today I'm going to be bringing you a brow tutorial on these brows right here with the cheapest brow product that I own, and I love it so much. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy this sharp, dramatic brow. Yes.
Hello guys, I'm going to be doing my brow tutorial for you guys today, and we are doing that with a Smith 203 brush, and let me tell you, it's the best brow brush ever. And we're using the Morphe brow pomade in the shade Java, and let me just say that this is the best, cheapest brow product on the market, hands down. So we're going to create hair-like strokes in the brows and just outline the natural shape of our lower part of our brow. Very lightly going in with that product because it's very, very pigmented. So pigmented. Okay, now we're going to outline the arch of our brow, which I do not have a very strong arch on this brow anyways, so we're just gonna have to create it ourselves. But makeup is art, so we're creating some art on these brows today. As we use up most of that brow product that we dipped into, we're going to start going up into the front and creating the front of our brow. But you don't want to do that initially because there's going to be too much brow product and it's going to be too intense and it'll be hard to fix. So we're just going to fill in the brow now that it's outlined. And don't worry if you have any mistakes, it's okay. We're going to spoolie this out and make sure it's all blended so it doesn't look harsh and blocky. And now we're taking Hazelnut and we're going to use that in the front to create a really natural ombre brow, which is what we want, obviously. So we're taking the Louise base in the shade 1 and we're cutting that brow and cleaning it up. Because, ooh, do I love a clean, sharp brow. Now trust me, I love me some natural brows, but these Instagram dramatic brows, I'm sorry, they will forever hold a special place in my heart. They're just so structured and beautiful, and I think they look so nice with the dramatic looks that I tend to normally do. So we're just going to keep cleaning that up and be very, very careful with that base, because if you make one wrong move, it can go up into your brow and mess it up, and you have to do that part all over again. Okay, so we're taking the Morphe brow gel, and I love this spoolie on here because I like the hairs stick out, so it makes it a lot easier for you to brush your hairs upwards, which I like because it gives it a more natural effect. If you like that type of look, you need this brow gel. And so yeah, that's what the done brow looks like versus that sparse, nasty, ungroomed brow. Here's the final look. And so yes, these are the brows that you will be left with if you follow these steps.
Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this brow tutorial, and if you pick up the Morphe brow pomade, tell me what you think of it and tell me if you like it. I also love the micro brow pencil and the brow gel, and yeah, so if you guys like it, tell me in the comments. Tell me if you want to see a more natural brow tutorial with it, and yeah, I will see you guys every Tuesday and Thursday with a new upload. And if you have any suggestions for me of what you want to see next, go ahead and tell me. You can message me on Instagram, on Twitter, at me, anything like that, or just simply leave it in the comment section below. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye!